Alright, I'm 2 months late to the game, but apparently Blizzard sent Asmongold something. Let's see what it is.
So Blizzard sent me a box, and obviously I have made
Hold on.
videos about Blizzard a lot over the years, and they sent me this box right here. And I know obviously my relationship with Blizzard has been, interesting over the years. And so I
You've
did
talked
check
some
to make
shit.
sure the box is ticking.
Yeah?
I don't think that it is ticking, so it should be okay to open. And so they sent me a box right here, and it's going to be, as far as I know, about it's a Warcraft Rumble box, and it says this end up fragile. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in the box. We've got ourselves a scissors here. Let's go ahead and just get this right in there. And shit. I get it. Let's go ahead and open it this way. There we go.
Watch, they know that he opens boxes with a machete, and they put something in there that he's gonna destroy.
Alrighty. And we'll open up the other side too. There we go. And right down the middle. Let's see if I can get it through there. That's going to be a little bit harder to do. Give me a second. Got to cut it this way. It's a little bit annoying to do, guys. Maybe I need to sharpen this thing.
Or
It's a little bit different.
just get you a little
Oh,
knife.
no, it's okay. Don't worry about it, guys. It's totally fine. Okay, and open that up right there. And we got the other side right here. Okay, and we should be good. All right. And let's open it up and see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Okay. And we've got ourselves... Oh, wow. Cardboard or paper. It says this is Warcraft Rumble.
I haven't even tried this Warcraft Rumble. I guess I can't really knock it until I try it. But I don't know, it does not look appealing to me. They got that stupid little fucking card game thing that they got. I can't even remember what that one's called, but Hearthstone, I think. Hearthstone. That doesn't look appealing. I mean, like, to each their own. Some people out there like it apparently, but this looks like something as dumb as that.
Hi, Adventurer. We hope you enjoy the gifts to commemorate the release of Warcraft Rumble. Oh, how nice. Happy battling the Warcraft Rumble development team. All right, well, let's see what it is. Okay, let's try to get this thing out of here. There we go. All right, it's just a big box, so I can go.
It's a Warcraft Rumble Xbox Series
I'll go ahead and
X.
get rid of that. Put that over here. And so let's see what this is going to be. There we go. And
A little mini
Maybe
fridge.
it's a
You
new
can only
phone
put
for me to
one
play it
can
on.
in it. Or big enough to hold his big ass sodas that he's always got.
alrighty.
Oh. It's been an action
And
figure
we've
or
got
something.
right here Warcraft Rumble. This is nice. Look at that. Oh, wow. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, well, how do I open... Oh, shit. How do I open this up? Jeez. What's this supposed to do? Pull it out? Oh, shit. Okay, here we go. I gotta fucking...
You got a desk right in front of you, dude. Put it on the desk.
Oh! Oh, shit! We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Wait, it's is this an exploding sheep? What the hell? What the hell is this? Look at this shit.
I've been out of World of Warcraft for quite a while now. Trying to get back into it whenever I get a PC to play the game. I mean, this laptop that I got, I could play it with settings all the way to the bottom, and it's still laggy. But I don't know where the hell a exploding sheep came from. Is that something that's in the game? I mean, maybe it's something new to Warcraft Rumble. I thought Warcraft Rumble was based off of World of Warcraft or Warcraft in general. Never heard of exploding sheep.
Oh, wow.
Or was he maybe just making that up? Maybe it's just a sheep. I don't know. We'll find out.
Just what I wanted.
A sheep.
Look at that, boys. That's what the mage didn't do, and it got Emmy killed. He didn't do that. This is actually a bomb. No, the one that's a bomb is a robot. I could tell, it's different. Okay, cool. Huh? So we'll go ahead and we'll put this right here. Somebody got polyed. This is Sony POV during the Matgara tournament. These fucking hate mages, man. Anyway, let's see this. Put that away. Alrighty. And next, let's take a look at this. So we've got right here a cable. I don't know what this is for, but it's some sort of cable. And I'll open this up. And what's in the little box? Ooh, what's in the box? Ooh.
Bunch of shredded paper.
That over there. Should be fine.
They want you to put it on your forehead to.
Here.
I can't talk shit.
Let's take a
I'm
look at
fucking
this.
balding too, a little bit.
Oh wow! Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this. That's so cool.
That's pretty cool.
It's a little Alliance insignia.
Oh, keychain. They need to give me a horde one.
Let me move up so you guys can get better angle here. Oh wow!
Yeah, I don't have YouTube Premium. That's coming.
Look at that. I don't know, what do you do with this? Oh, what the fuck? It's got Gore Owl! Look at that! Holy shit! It's a little miniature Gore. It's like... Oh, wow. It's a good one, too. Now it's needs to repair. It's low durability. And this is literally just a thing of ham. It's a fucking thing of ham. And then you have the Alliance shield, too. Look at that. That's pretty nice. I'll put it right there. Yeah, there you go. A hawk of meat. Yep, a ham hawk. Okay, cool. So it's a little keychain or a charm chain or something like that. And it's got all three of them right there. I'll go ahead and I'll put this one back in the little box. And there's
Blizzard's like, please say some nice stuff about our game. Everybody's leaving, including you. We want everybody back.
There's another box under this.
We're hungry.
It's hard to do this without looking at it. Okay, that's good. And then, oh shit, there's a top? Oh, it's supposed to fit in there. I get it. Okay, so I'll put this back in. And then I guess I'll put this on here then. Okay, great. And so let's see what's in this one. And we have... Oh, is this a phone charger? I needed a phone charger. Oh, it is.
Just sending you random
Thank
shit.
God.
Oh, it's probably a light up sheep.
This is exactly what I wanted.
He's gonna plug that fucking sheep in and it's gonna explode.
Wireless charger. What the fuck? Okay. Is this a coaster?
I don't work with my phone. I'm broke. Right. I put my phone on there and it's
nothing else in here.
A heater.
All right. Some more hair. Yeah, of course. All right. It's a. Y'all say it's a lamp? How could it be a lamp? How do you? How does this work? I don't understand. How is this supposed to... Oh, shit, it's got a side capsule. Look at that. Wait a sec. Come on. There we go.
Square peg goes in the round hole.
So, this right here, there's the box. And we'll open up the side pot right here. Ooh. It's a secret loot. Can I get that out there? There we go. Okay. And this is a little... Okay, well, I'll read it. I'll read the little thing, okay? We'll see what it says. Hi there, Spark. Looks like you've got a real rumble on your hands. I know better than most that the biggest adventures sometimes come in small packages, so try to help you along. The gang and I have all pitched in and put together a kit of some of our favorite things. Hogger wasn't all too excited about giving away his favorite ham haunch. Oh! Yeah, but don't worry. He'll cheer up in time once he sees how happy it made you. Yeah, I don't think Hogger would think that. If you want to give him and the rest of us a peek, tag Warcraft Rumble. Can't wait to say hi. Now go get him. Your friend Nomelia. P.S. Be careful of Anixia. She's a tough one. Yeah, she sure is. So people say this is a... How can this be a lamp? Wait, bro, I think it actually is. I think this is actually a fucking lamp.
Plug in that phone charger and then set the fucking...
Okay, let me try it.
Sheep on top of it.
So...
I bet that does something.
Huh?
Just try it anyways.
This game, you're not ready for.
Put it on the charger? Okay. I never used a lamp before. What do you expect me to know this shit for? How could I possibly know how to use one of these? Okay. Can I unplug one of these? Let me see if I can or not. Okay, looks like I can. I probably need all of these, don't I? Oh, I think I can maybe get rid of this. No F? Yeah, we should be fine. Okay, so how do I plug this in? Maybe I plug it into this PC? I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay. Here we go. It don't
Boom.
fit. Oh.
Set it on top of that disc.
Give me a minute. I mean, I don't do stuff like this. You know what I mean, guys? Like, I gotta... I don't use lights. I just live in the dark.
Same here.
It's just the way it is. Okay. We'll try and plug this one in. Obviously, tried to plug the USB in. I had to turn it around. Okay. Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, you guys can't really see it from there. It's super blurry. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Do it in the dark? Okay. Give me a minute.
It's a pain in the ass.
Move this. I wonder what the hell this is supposed to be. Wireless charger? How the fuck's something gonna be a wireless charger?
You plug that in,
I don't want
and
that.
there's no fucking wire going to your phone.
I've never seen that shit before in my life. Okay. Okay, it's a lot darker now, alright? You guys ready to see it? Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
It's a 5G receptor. Is it? There it is.
Frying your brain
It's
right
a
now.
nightlight. Yeah, I could put this in my bathroom. This is really nice. Look at that. Now I'm ready to rumble. Is that it? It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's cool, man. Doesn't look too shabby. Yeah, it's nice. I'll go ahead and I'll put it over here. Oh. There we go. Okay. You guys can't really see it that well, but it's hard for me to make it easy to see without things being annoying. Let's see here. Okay, that should be about right. Maybe a little bit less light. Blizzard remote access? You think it's like a rootkit onto my computer or something? Yeah, you could probably be right about that. Knowing Blizzard. The shorts look comfy. Yeah, the new OTK merch shorts. They're really nice. Put the top back on. Oh, yeah. Oh, I gotta peel the things off, too. Ooh.
It's kind of a satisfying noise.
Ooh. There it is. Try the phone charger. I'll deal with that later. I don't want to plug a bunch of shit in right now. But yeah, shout out to Blizzard. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Warcraft Rumble. I'll have to play the game. And as I said, my challenge in Warcraft Rumble will be how fast can I spend $1,000? I haven't done it for a while. I haven't played that at all. So I have to try it out. Test the wireless charger? No, bro. Like, any wire... That's weird. How the fuck can something be a wireless charger?
This was only 2 months ago. The fact that he doesn't know what a wireless charger is kind of tells me that he gets out less than I thought he did. It's a disc. You plug the wire into that. That's not wireless. Your phone goes on top of that and charges. You don't have to plug a wire into your phone. You just set your phone down on it, pull it away. But not all phones work for it. Mine doesn't work for it. Anyways. Yeah, so y'all saw that there was some ads in there. So if you've watched any of my videos, you ought to know that I don't have money. I'm getting everything I need to be streaming slowly. And next on the list, I guess, is getting YouTube Premium, which I thought was called YouTube Red, but I guess they changed it. But yeah, it's a little embarrassing when that shit pops up, but it's whatever. Talking to a camera is embarrassing too. But alright, y'all, I'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe.